Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the menu, so just press this middle button, then go down and left to localize the settings and press select. Then let's enter the time and language, so go down and press select and press a date and time. So here you can either choose whether you want to use the 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock just by pressing change. So it's totally up to you. And now we have to turn off this auto update to be able to customize the date and time. So press on change, and as you can see here we've got additional options. So let's press select on the time zone to be able to choose different time zones. Just find yours and press select after choosing. Then the time, so we can simply enter the time we want to set. So as we've got this AM, so maybe it will be 4:58. We've got it. Now we can change the PM or AM. It's totally up to you, and just press save. Now we can go down and change the date. How about 24th of August of 1975? Oh, we cannot set 75. All right, so 84. Okay, we've got it. So press save. And this is how it works. We've got this information, the date and time has been updated. And basically this is it. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by pressing this option, auto update, and preferably 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock, up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.